check. Wasn't nobody round, I was independent. To the bomb with the windows tinted. Heard a bomb got a strap in the party. Who the fuck like this in a party? Beat him up, beat him up, beat him up, beat him up. Chance, so then I popped out and did it again, and did it again, and did it again. I cannot respect him, where did he begin? Advice from the council, let nobody in. Been swearing through rumors, avoiding the trends, and dug in the holes. I'm dug in the loony that come with the shows. I'm grateful to man, he opened up doors. They bung on they tour bus to come and compose. I reach to the stars on my tippy toes. This greatest success where most niggas fold. I tell you my past, that shit don't get old. But how could you ask? Like I don't be writing my raps. The critics got